I'm on a 4-watt radio and a dang dipole, Mr. Gatekeeper out here in Georgia waving.
And you said for 5-1. 585.
Hey, 5850 Bahamas, you got old Gatekeeper out here on this 4-watt radio. I'm completely barefoot, brother, on an old dipole. Old Gatekeeper out here in Georgia. That's crazy. Hey, my buddy in Bahamas, old Gatekeeper, said that's crazy, man. I'm on this old barefoot radio sitting on my lap right here, Roger. All right, there's Zero right there in Bahamas, man. Yeah, I was doing a quick little test on this GK Pre, man. I'm going to probably go ahead and upload this thing to YouTube, man. So you might want to check my YouTube channel out. I ain't uploaded the video gate in years. Oh, out there in the Bahamas, Mr. Gatekeeper out here in Georgia. All right, there, 585 Bahamas. We got somebody else out there in Bahamas, 20, whatever. I didn't catch your call there, old Mr. Gatekeeper on this barefooted radio doing this video gate, Roger. Hey, Zero. Okay, that's Zero out there in the Bahamas. Mr. Gatekeeper, Georgia. Barefoot radio on this old dipole, Roger. That's crazy, man. I'm about to walk out there and show y'all what I'm running, too. Y'all gonna laugh. I think that's 99 Jamaica, Gatekeeper, Georgia, Barefoot Radio, Gatekeeper, Georgia, Barefoot Radio. "99 Jamaica, Gatekeeper, Georgia, Video Gates recording. 99 Jamaica, Mr. Gatekeeper, Gatekeeper, Gatekeeper." Oh, that's 929. Okay. 929 Gatekeeper, Barefoot Radio, man. This thing's doing no more than 12 watts PEP. 929 Jamaica, Mr. Gatekeeper out here in Georgia. All right, 929. I'm going to upload this to my YouTube channel, my friend. Hey, 929, I'm going to upload this to my YouTube channel, Gatekeeper Amps. 92973 Gatekeeper 4-watt radio. Bye-bye. All right, dear 99 Jamaica. Hey, you're going to laugh when you watch the video. You're going to laugh when you watch the video, my friend. I'm going to go show the antenna I am on right now in the video. Look up Gatekeeper Amps on YouTube, my friend. Gatekeeper Amps on YouTube. 73 Gatekeepers gone. Bye-bye. I did not, I repeat, I did not mean to do this. I absolutely did not mean to do a video gate. It absolutely fell in my lap. No pun intended. All right, here's the deal. I got a buddy that has been begging me for one of my GK Pre's, which I am not at the time producing. And basically, a lot of y'all probably have been following. Will this thing unscrew? Okay, there we go. A lot of y'all maybe have been following my progress on these little preamps that I've been working on the last couple of years. Y'all gonna have to give me a second here. I don't have anywhere to put nothing out here. It's so compacted. Goodness gracious, I got 2 or 3 things being worked on at once. All right, let me just put this right here. So anyway, with the last production of GK Pre's, which was about 50 of them. Move, Jack. Come on, bud. He's getting all tangled up, man. Look at him going crazy. Got Jack and old Shadow over there just chilling like a couple of villains. And yeah, they do like they're getting along right now, but a lot of times they don't. So anyway, on the last production of GK Pre's, I think it was 50 of them. And out of those 50, I had 2 of them right here that did not work. Well, actually, these did work. The amplification part of them did work, but for some reason the switching of them did not work. The invert circuit did not work. So anyway, this one is the very, very first one that we actually ever did. Okay, this was the very first one we ever did, meaning of this version. Okay, and I've just kind of just kept it. You know, it's the first one that we ever did, so I ain't gonna say it has sentimental. I mean, there's no different from this board right here than the boards in there, you know. But it's just, I've just kept it because it's the only one I got that I can just kind of hook up and demo to people that stop by or something like that. But anyway, I've had this guy begging for one for a while, and he's been pretty consistent. So I decided to sell it to him, you know, because I'm just about to, basically the only issues with this version of the GK Pre is it takes a little bit high of a dead key to actuate the relay in here. The way this is set up, I didn't want to have extra switch for sideband and all that. I wanted this to be as user-friendly as possible. You hook it up and you're ready to rock and roll. Keep it in line behind the radio and before whatever next piece of equipment's being hooked up. And you can just leave it hooked up. So I wanted it to be automatic sideband, that it automatically picks up on that, which it does. Does it very greatly. But the problem is it seems to be taking a little bit higher of a carrier to actuate it. Now on sideband it's perfect. Works perfect on sideband, but on AM it's taking about anywhere from 3 to 4 watts, which is way too high. We need this thing to at least key up with a watt, or as low as possible without changing, you know, any of the other attributes of this device. You know, if I'm going to attempt to get it to key up with as low carrier as possible, but minimum, or so I'll say maximum of 1 watt carrier. So that's what I'm about to be doing that now. Since I'm so busy, I'm actually, I bought this Cobra 25 right here, brand new, and I put me a regulated dead key variable on the RF gain knob right there, and I'm shipping that along with these 2 to my partner that's in with me on this. And we're going to get this thing sewed up and start getting these out in production. But let me go show y'all the antenna I was just talking about. You stay right there, Jack. You better not move, boy. You stay right there, homeboy. Let me walk out here and show y'all what I was just talking on. Mr. 99 Jamaica. I did not expect to have a contact. That's my first contact in a long time, y'all. All right, the ground's kind of soggy, but oh man, half of it's in the tree. This is what I just made that contact on. Let's see if I can't zoom in. is a simple 10-meter dipole. And luckily, if you look, go this way and look, if it shows up, look, there it is. Luckily, I have it on pulleys. Okay, you see? So I can pull that down and easily work on it or put something new on there. Now this was straight. It was a straight T, you know. It was a straight horizontal dipole, but you know how wires and ropes will stretch out and you got to adjust it. I put this up this past summer for some digital type work, you know, other type of radio spectrum activity. But yeah, it's just kind of been sitting here. I ain't used it in a while, and it's kind of what I'm hooking up to just test stuff on. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this thing down and recut it, because actually what it is, it's two 16-gauge wires twisted together. It's just something I literally threw up in 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna take that down and put up an actual 11-meter dipole. But that's what I made that contact on, to 99 in the Bahamas, just in my accident, not even trying to, off a Barefoot Cobra 148, completely stock. The thing's doing no more than 12 watts peak, 4 watts RMS. That was fun, y'all. All I was doing was just wanting to hook that preamp up before I shipped it out, just to make sure it's still working. I don't never ship something out without testing it. That's the only reason I was even doing that, man. I haven't talked on the air in years. Well, I'll take that back. A couple of months ago, I got on my Yaesu and did get to talk on the air a little bit using that dipole. I take that back. I do remember that. So I don't want to make a liar out of myself. But anyway, y'all, this is just a video I didn't even know I was going to be making, but I think I'm going to upload it anyway. Old Gatekeeper out here, y'all. Northeast end of GA, baby. 73. God bless. We gone. Bye-bye.